Hey guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. I want to share with you the skills, tips and secrets I've learned during my art journey over the last 5,000 hours of practice. And I'd love to share some of the things that I've learned from some amazing teachers from all over the world. Why not subscribe to my channel and turn the notifications icon on so you don't miss anything. My goal is to show you exactly how to draw anything from realistic graphite portraits to hyper-realistic fine art, all the way through to crazy cartoon drawings. In today's video, I'm drawing Lapras from the Pokemon. As always, I freehand a quick sketch in with pencil just to find some basic plot lines and proportions. I then use a Faber Castell Pitt Artist Pitt pen. This is a permanent, very fine line marker that allows me to get great weight of line and great detail in very small areas. The pen doesn't smudge either when you go over it with the copic markers, which you can see that I'm using at the moment. For the main bulk of this picture, I used a processed blue. It's quite a light blue, and it allows me to go into the darker areas with a different darker blue called aquamarine. The lightest area on the underside of this dinosaur, dragon or sea creature, whatever Lapras is, I used milky white. And then I went through the greys, cool grey 3, 5 and 7 in specific areas on the shell and on the underside of the creature. This is a fantastic drawing. I really enjoyed doing it. I can remember spending hours with my daughter trying to find Lapras in Pokemon Go. Let me know down in the comments below who your favourite Pokemon Go creature is and if you actually found Lapras or managed to catch Lapras. All in all, this drawing took me about an hour and a half. I decided to add a comic book background strip as well, just to make this stand out. And finally, to add some different details in certain areas and to make parts of this creature look wet, I used a Uniball Signo broad white pigment pen. This brings out white areas and it just makes things look slightly lighter or wetter, and in this case, slightly wetter. Thank you so much for watching the channel. I really appreciate all of the support you guys have been giving me. Don't forget to leave me your requests down below in the comments, and you can get me on the social media platforms. All the links to those are down below in the descriptions. I'm having so much fun with this channel. Thank you so much for supporting it. Don't forget to hook me up on all social media. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and get those requests in. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.